Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Everdave and Konnorcraft, and we are here today with a new unboxing video. We're going to do one on the Back to Roots Organic Microgreens Grow Kit. We picked this up at Lowe's yesterday, I think it was, maybe the day before. And I like all things garden stuff related, so I wanted to try it and see. So we're going to do an unboxing of it, and then I guess we'll call it assembly. We're going to assemble it. So, okay, so it's got, see if I can pronounce these, Sango Radish, purple, Kohlrabi.
Where does it even say that?
Kohlrabi and Red Cabbage. It says help, see, that's for like, they want you to help gardening in schools and stuff. It says it's ready to harvest in just 7 days, 100% guaranteed to grow. 100% guaranteed to grow. I bet you when they made this, they didn't think you were living in Alaska. Alright, so this is the value pack, twice the growing space. Yep. So it includes everything that you need, except for the water.
Water. Has.
So organic microgreen seeds, 2 compostable grow trays, 2 expandable soil discs, which is why we got this to mix that up in, and a growing guide. Cool. Alright, so we'll open it up here. Is that it?
Yep.
Nope.
Oh, well, it wouldn't come out.
Where's that? There we go. Alright, so we'll set that over here.
So we have growing calendars. That says like day.
Oh, so we're supposed to check it off? Alright, so...
Oh, it says plant and water, relax, and then...
Oh, no water. Okay.
Tells you like what to do each day.
Alright, is that 1 card or is that 2 cards?
Oh, there's 2.
Oh, because we have 2 trays, because it's the bonus one. Alright. So, right, so the microgreen grow instructions. Expand the soil and plant your seeds. So obviously, soil. We'll just throw that in there. We'll add some water. It always takes more water than you think. And they're growing. That one's growing. This one's not growing so much.
You gotta literally drop it on.
Grow.
You should drop it on it, maybe.
Let's see what's growing. It's like literally growing. Alright. Alright. Chop it up a little bit. Oh yeah, that's pretty decent.
Oh wow, that worked.
A little more water.
Maybe just a little more on it.
Still growing.
Yeah, that's why, because the other one you put it directly on.
Oh.
That's why it grew so fast.
Cool. And make sure the soil's
Chopped up.
chopped up. A little bit more water. Alright, I assume we'll just... Alright, place the soil in the grow tray and add a 1/3 cup of water on top. Oh no, they said to just put the disc in the grow tray and then add it. Yeah,
it's all good.
I don't like doing it that way, so we're going to do it this way.
I feel like it would just go.
And then we're just going to scoop half into one and half into the other. Or actually, we'll see if we even need that much. Probably may not, but watch your fingers, Connor. They actually may not have provided enough dirt.
Don't you have
for
any?
2.
Or...
No, I don't have any dirt. So we'll call this an unboxing / review of the product that it comes with.
We might just do one.
We might have to only do one. Or it may not require the soil to be very thick, very deep. So let's take a look and see how this looks.
It looks like it's at the top in the picture.
Does it?
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty much at the top.
That's pretty good
it
there.
Might not work on that.
So this one is nowhere near enough. So Wow.
Maybe we didn't moisturize it.
No, it's definitely. I mean, it's really wet, so it's like smushing type of wet. All right. So first point to talk about is the fact that there's not enough dirt.
Not enough soil.
Yes, not enough
To do
soil
two.
for two of them, so we'll just do one. So back to the roots. You might want to add another disc on your bonus trays. We'll find their company. Well, we want to see, are they both the same?
They're both the same.
Alright,
They're just
cool.
organic microgreen seeds, rainbow mix.
Alright, cool. This is the first product. I'm sorry, not first product. First plant-based product that my wife has been excited to see actually grow.
Because you can eat it, right?
Yes. The whole point of it is to grow microgreens so you don't have to grow in like full heads of cabbage, which takes up a lot of space. Very cool. Alright, let's see. Alright, allow 30 seconds for the soil to expand. We already did that. Spread it out an even layer on the bottom of the tray. Already did that. If parts of the soil remain dry, add more water. Alright. I doubt we need to add more water to this. But
Just in case.
so we'll just add water to it.
That's really weird.
So it's pretty saturated now. It's like making a mud pie.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Open the seed packet and sprinkle all the seeds evenly across the soil. Add an additional 3 tablespoons of water over the seeds to help with germination. I don't think we're going to have to do that, but we'll see. Alright, are you going to spread them or do you want me to spread them?
I can try.
Alright, evenly. No, that was good.
Okay.
Start at the edge. Yep.
Oh, there's a lot more.
Mm-hmm. I'm just going to go from this side and some spaces over here that you left out.
Like this right here. I thought there would be a lot less, that's why I was being more careful. But in reality, there's a
And
lot.
I mean, the cool thing about it is it's going to grow up tall and in a bunch and all mixed together like this, which is the way it's supposed to be. So
I'm showing them what it looks like. Only takes 7 days.
I was deployed and actually was watching some videos and on YouTube and actually came across a microgreen thing where people are actually making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month growing these things professionally.
Do we have a
So
lid?
that's crazy.
Oh,
So
that was our lid.
no, that can't be the lid, man. Let me see.
Oh, is this one?
Maybe. Oh yeah, that's probably the lid. All right, so let me read what it says here. It says place the lid. So we're gonna call this our lid.
Oh yeah, it's called lid and grow
So-
calendar.
Germination lid and grow calendar.
Mhm.
All right, so here again, I'll take a little more water just because it said to, and just sprinkle it over the seeds here.
And leave it covered for 48 hours. There's no need to add more water in this time. Covering the tray keeps your seed moist and gives them the best chance to grow.
Alright.
When you remove your lid, you should see little sprouts popping out of your soil.
And it tells
Cover for
you.
48 hours.
All right, so we're gonna cover it for 48 hours.
AKA 2 days.
Yep. All right, cool. That's step 2. All right, so we. All right, so step 3. This is after probably the 7 days.
Should that be cool to do?
Um,
It'll let you know.
Oh yeah.
Keep doing it.
So ongoing watering 3 to 5 tablespoons per day. Add 3 to 5 tablespoons of water per day until harvest. Microgreens will grow well in direct or indirect sunlight. Light, it says, not sunlight, but watering levels can vary upon temperature. If you notice that they're drying out, add more. Harvest your greens between day 7 and day 10.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So basically, all right. So we leave this cover on for 2 days, and then we take it off and that's when we should be seeing some little sprouts growing. And then we need to water it every day.
Even though that says no water,
Alright.
but I don't know. Oh, this is probably the first day. This is probably no.
So
the first
plants
day's
and water
probably right
second
now.
day, because that's the day, that's 48 hours,
the
so we're not
48
going to water it.
hours.
So on the third day we uncover it and water it, 3 to 5 tablespoons, just like it says on the card.
Yeah, that's probably smart to do for whoever's
So, yeah.
going to be
So
consistently
go.
watering it.
so that's a schedule.
And it says on the bottom, if you want to, on day 1, you can text GROW to 888-111. That tells you reminders of when to water it.
Cool.
Which is pretty cool.
Alright, so it says on day 4, harvest your greens between days 7 and 10. You can harvest your microgreens just 7 days after planting. Harvest some each day, just a pinch goes a long way, or all at once. It's up to you. Use scissors or cut stems just above the soil and wash them thoroughly before eating. Be sure to harvest all your greens by day 10. They'll stay fresh in your refrigerator for several more days. So I don't know if these grow back. Once we cut them, do they grow back? Because it says cut them right above the soil.
Maybe.
So
But it says go to backtotheRoots.com for some cool recipes as well.
cool. Well, we're gonna add them to hamburgers.
I didn't know that.
All right. So just to recap, this was the bonus pack. Definitely not enough soil for both packages.
It was getting
So,
there, but not quite.
Yeah. No, it wasn't even getting there. Sorry.
It was like in the
Gotta disagree with you there. This one had half a tray in it, so not even close. But yeah. So that is the Back to the Roots germination kit for the microgreen seeds. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and stand by for the next video that we do following up on this to let you know how they grew and if they actually did grow in 7 days. All right. Take care. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dave. I just want to do a real quick thank you. Appreciate you watching our videos. If you've noticed, we've mentioned a couple of things that you can purchase. We are Amazon affiliates, so if you check out the links below, there's a few links there depending upon the video that you're watching. So if you purchase something through there, we get a small commission at no additional cost to you. So if you would like to support this channel, that's definitely one way that you can do it. We also have our website, everdave.com. And then byfaithclothing.com, which is the shirt that we're wearing here. So, and then we have our YouTube channel that you're watching now, and then we have our book of poetry, which we have links to that down below as well. So, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. We appreciate your support. As always, thank you. God bless.